Hey everyone, this is Heather again, and this is going to be another video in our mini series on how to use Scany to find really good swing setups. So this video is going to be about support and resistance levels, and that's what we are going to focus on. So we have plenty of support and resistance levels. We have these horizontal ones, then we have the anchored VWAP support and resistance levels, and then we have the trend line support and resistance levels. So we are going to use all of them to find the best possible setup. So let's first try to find some supports. We have the anchored VWAP support. Let's see, we have about 57. So let's see how many do we get if we also have a trend line. Not many. This seems like an okay thing. 17. We have AMD. So let's quickly go to AMD. Again, I have no idea how this is looking on April. Okay, this is April 1st. And let me see, why does it think that there is a trend line? Probably because of this huge, this is the trend line that it is probably looking out. So this is the trend line support. Let's see, we did not have the anchored VWAP resistance right now, so let's see if we try to anchor it from somewhere here. So we have an anchored VWAP resistance here, right? We do have a support as well from here, so I'm going to show that to you. Okay, we have a support here. So now from here we actually went above it, so we have a support. And let's do one more. We can see that we have a support from probably this level as well. Okay, we have a support from this level, so that's why you're seeing all kinds of supports. And we can see one final support. Let's just draw a line here. You'll be able to see that it's not the best support. I would have wanted this to be the support. Like, I would have wanted this to be here, March 30th. It probably, yeah, March 30th and then March 31st. So this is not a strong support, but you can see that there are still cases where the price touched it and then went back up. So again, slightly loose support, but still it's a support. We are here, right? So if we enter here, we never go below the support level. So since there is a support below it, you can see it actually acted as a support. So that's again, there is a slight power of algorithms coming in. So although this didn't look like a very good support level to human eye, look at how we actually respected this in the next few days. So if you had entered here, then you would have gone from 79 or 80 to about a high of 89. That's a $9 increase. And I'd sort of leave the exits to you right now. If I was in this position, then I'll probably exit right here, because you can see there is a resistance level, and that level is right at 89 or 90. So perfect setup. Let's see if we have anything else. I want to do at least one more, so I'm going to remove the trend line support thing, and I'm going to see if we can find something that we all know about. So we have GLD, gold, we have McDonald's. Let's see, we have PFE, so probably McDonald's and GLD. So let's see. Alright, GLD, this is GLD. You can see that we had an anchored resistance here, but from probably this point we had a support here. And if you entered, you would enter at 161, because we have some support levels below this price. Based on this level, probably this is why the algorithm thought that we have a support level. If you entered at this point in time, April 1st, you would enter at 161, and right now the price is at 165 or 166. So about a $4 increase in a month. So again, really good one. Let's do one last. We had GLD and then we had one more, MCD. So let's see what happened with MCD. Very nice. So we can see here, if we entered here, then we entered at 225, and right now we are at 235. So again, a $10 increase in just a month. So this was a home run. These three were really good. I had not expected that they'd all be really good. I'll probably exit here if I had entered there, but since we actually just we waited here and then we just broke out of it, and now we are staying this. I'll probably enter again, or at least exit partially here, and if we start going back down then I'll exit fully. But since we just crossed and now this is going to be a support level, I'd still keep half of my position because there is potential to go up even more now. So again, perfect setups here. I'll just for keeping this video short, I'll leave the at resistance at the AV web resistance and trend resistance stuff because it works the same way. You have a resistance, so just be aware that there is a resistance level for all the stocks that you get from the signals, and either exit or at least let the price cross those levels before you enter. So that's it for this video. These 6 scanners are really powerful and I use them almost every day. So please do learn how to use them well, and go back in time, try to backtest how these worked, and yeah, do use them every day. Thank you so much. I'll see you guys in the next video.